Welcome to our channel. If you want to choose the right multivitamin for your needs and avoid wasting money, follow these essential steps. Step 1. Consult your healthcare provider and consider getting blood tests to identify any specific nutritional deficiencies before buying supplements. Step 2. Look for a multivitamin that provides 100% of the daily value for most vitamins and minerals, avoiding megadoses unless medically necessary. Step 3. Choose a multivitamin appropriate for your age, gender, and life stage as nutritional needs vary significantly. Step 4. Check for third-party testing certification from organizations like USP, NSF, or Consumer Lab to ensure quality and purity. Step 5. Read the supplement facts label carefully, noting serving sizes and whether you need to take multiple pills to get the stated amounts. Step 6. Avoid multivitamins with unnecessary additives, fillers, or artificial colors that provide no nutritional benefit. Step 7. Consider your dietary restrictions and choose vegetarian, vegan, or allergen-free options if needed. Step 8. Remember that multivitamins should supplement a healthy diet, not replace eating nutritious whole foods rich in vitamins and minerals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.